Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you that how to record your phone calls in iPhone. So guys, as you will see, now I am using iPhone 11 and now I am going to record this phone call. As you can see, simply you have to click on this tab, and guys, now you will see that phone call will be recording. As you can see, here is the option of call recording. Simply you have to click on continue, and after this you can see that this call will be recorded. And guys, after this you can see recording has been started, and you will see this recording in your notes tab on iPhone. So guys, in this video I will show you that how can you enable your call recording feature in your any iPhone. So first of all, I am going to cut this call, and guys, now I will show you that how can you enable your call recording. So first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, now you need to scroll it down, and from here you will see the option of apps. Click on it, and after this you need to scroll it below, and now you can see here is the option of phone. Click on it, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, and here you will see the option of call recording. Click on it, and guys, now you need to enable this feature on your iPhone. So guys, if it is disabled, you need to enable it, and after this your call recording feature will be enabled in your iOS 18. So guys, if you are not showing this feature in your device, then no need to worry. You have to click on general, and you need to click on software update, and from here you need to install iOS 18.1 beta 7. So guys, if you are using public beta or developer beta, then guys you will see this feature in your iPhone, and if you are using official iOS 18 or 18.1, then you cannot use this feature. So firstly you need to update your device to beta, and after this you can get this feature in your iPhone easily. So guys, this is the way. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.